Can you see Steam password while logged in? So let's get started. No, Steam does not allow you to view your password while logged in for security reasons. You can simply go to the any web browser and search for the Steam website, and inside Steam website you can see login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on it and navigate to the login section. And here you can see Steam does not view your password. If Steam displayed your password while logged in, anyone with access to your device could see it and steal your account. This helps protect your game library, personal data, and payment information from hackers or unauthorized users. Most secure platforms like Google, Facebook, and banking apps follow the same policy to prevent password leaks. Instead, Steam allows password resets if you forgot it. So that is it. Steam hides your password to protect your account from hackers, unauthorized users, and malware accounts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.